Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So it seems to be becoming more and more common to have noises in the back and the front rattling. Hope you can hear that. Stabilizer bar, end links going bad, little joints. So we'll go ahead and replace this. It looks like a hex will go in here, and then probably a 14 millimeter, maybe 13. Take the nut off, and then probably a hex up on top here, and the same thing here. And if we need to, we can unbolt these here maybe a little bit, 14 millimeter. Give us some free play. It's the same over here. So let's see what we're working with. Alright, so we got a Allen wrench is a 5 millimeter Allen wrench and then a 14 millimeter. And this one is just basically turned off pretty easy. So we're going to do this till it comes off. How about that? And then we're going to do the same for this. And that is pretty much the procedure. Not real fancy. So remove the nut. And maybe you want to blast this with some WD-40 or some kind of your favorite penetrating lubricant. Maybe make it just a little bit easier to take off. So we got our nuts off. We'll see what happens. Yep, not quite as easy as we were hoping for, but you know what? Let's do the other side here, and then we can just swing the bar down, and these things will come out the top. So we'll just go ahead and zip these off because we're doing both sides. Probably just best to do that, and then we'll see how easy it comes out. And if you want to save seconds off doing this job, you can probably actually, like I have a cordless gun, just put the cordless gun in here, hold the nut loose, or hold the nut tight, and then hit it with a gun, and it'll spin this, and then it'll come off. All right, got the nuts off both sides, and see if we can pull this down. Yeah, it's coming out. It's a little stiff still, but pull this down. Might need two hands, but you can see that side came off. I'll do the same for the other side. Pretty easy job, actually. I'm sure you can do it. Sorry if you're in the rust belt. Everything's rusted to heck. So, but otherwise, that's doing your rear stabilizer bar and links there. Boom. There you go.